The Cobra 3 ANYCUBIC presale has launched. It is not available yet on Amazon. You can only get it from their website as of right now, but they do have some great deals going. I will post a link to that in the comments and description down below, so make sure to check that out. And let's get into all of the deals and savings that you can get with the early bird access right now. It is time. The Cobra 3 has finally launched, and guys, it is time to get the order in. This thing is discounted right now, and I've got an additional coupon code to help you out. I've already ordered mine, so we are going to be doing a review on that very soon. Let me go over what we have as far as options go. On the ANYCUBIC site, we've got the regular Cobra 3 right here. Just the Cobra 3 unit itself is going for $339. Ace Pro, $289. Cobra 3 combo. So that's going to be the 3D printer with the Ace Pro unit, $449 with a $30 off coupon. An additional $30 off coupon. You're going to get the Cobra 3 unit, the Ace unit, a free kilogram of their new Pantone filament, as well as a camera. And then the first 5,000 people also receive a mystery box. Guys, that ain't bad. Now you can see we've got a couple different other options here. So you've got the 1 kilogram of the Pantone filament, and then a free kilogram. So that's 2 kilograms of the Pantone filament. Two kilograms of the filament and the camera. Or, this is the option that I went for, 3 kilograms, then 1 free with the camera. So let me show you what I'm talking about here. So we're going to add this to the cart. We're going to go to checkout. And then we're going to pop in our discount code, which is AC30 off. We're going to pop that in there. And you can see that brings the price on this guy down to $469. No shipping charge. Free shipping right here. No shipping charge, no additional taxes. Out the door, you're getting your 3D printer, your 4 filament change unit, 4 kilograms of filament, and a camera. $469. I ain't mad at that, guys. I am not mad at that at all. Now, be sure to use the link that I provide for you down below. That does help the channel out. So that's going to be pinned in the comments and listed in the description. All right, with the sale stuff out of the way, let's just kind of run over the information on the unit and the new Ace system as well, in case you are just doing your research on this guy for the first time. So the 4 filament changing Ace unit also doubles as a filament dryer. Cool, that works out. The actual build plate on the Cobra 3 is going to be slightly larger. So you're looking at 250 by 250 by 260 build size. Not bad. Now this does say print in 4 to 8 colors. I'm not sure if you're able to hook multiple units up or what the deal is with that. Okay. Let's get into it. So we've got the PEI bed. Looks like they've got their own ANYCUBIC slicer now. Runs on Wi-Fi, USB, or their cloud. You can run all kinds of different material: PLA, PET, GABS, ASA, PT, PA, PC, PP, and HIPS. Auto leveling, vibration suppression, flow control, automatic hotbed leveling, Z-axis free compensation, and looks like it's running a hardened steel gear extruder. That's pretty good. What's in the box? Alright, Kobra 3 combo, Ace Pro, print head, touchscreen, and then all of your regular stuff. You've got your purge wiper. Curious to see how much waste is going to come through with that. Rexy's over here just napping, watching me. Alright. And extra bag of filament. Now I'm just going to run through real quick and double check that our coupon code works on everything. So here we go. $4.19 for just the combo, the Kobra 3 combo. Whoa, okay, cool. Let's see. Kobra 3, just the unit itself. Ooh, okay. Not valid for that. Yikes. So that must be only for the combo. Alright. Long story short, pick up one of the combos, get an additional $30 off. If you get the combo with your free kilogram of filament and a camera, $4.19 out the door. Get it shipped directly to you. And this Pantone filament here is going for $26.50 a unit. We got turquoise, spring leaf, peach fuzz, violet, or random 4 color. Now, when I placed my order, I did not get the option to choose my filament colors. So, that being said, I did order the 3 rolls of filament with 1 free. I'm going to assume that they're going to send me all 4 colors. I don't know. I didn't see any options for the 1 kilogram. It is possible that they do for smaller 250 rolls. I don't know if that... I don't know. I will let you guys know once I receive... I'll let you know once I receive my setup. Alright guys, I will do a video once I receive it and let you know how I like it. Bye. Four grams of filament. 4 grams